All right, I'm here. Oh wait, I'm
Why
over
can
here.
I turn on the car battery? That's so fucked up. Who would turn this bitch back on?
Yeah, what survivor turned
Oh,
the bitch back on?
oh my! Don't do it. That nigga over here. I heard the bones. Don't do it. Don't do it. Barnett, you better stop.
Oh, yeah,
Barnett.
all right. Too late. Doesn't matter.
Who the fuck?
Fine. What?
Barnett, why did you turn it back on?
I thought I turned it off.
It was already on.
Oh, all right. Well,
This nigga just killed us.
no, I killed us.
This nigga just killed us. You dumbass. Oh my god. Barnett, you gotta die. It's the only way to repent.